In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed course videos in Squarespace from YouTube. If you're building out a course page and want your lessons to play directly inside your Squarespace site, this process is quick and straightforward. We'll be using Squarespace's built-in video block and adding the video from a YouTube link, so you don't need to upload the video file manually. To begin, go to the part of your Squarespace page where you want the course video to appear. Once you're in the editor, click on Add Block. This opens the block menu where you can insert different types of content into the page. Since we want to display a video lesson, the next thing you'll do is choose video from the available block options. As soon as the video block is added, you may see it appear as an empty placeholder on the page. To configure it properly, click the pencil icon to edit the block. That opens the settings panel for the video so you can connect the content you actually want to show. Inside that editing window, click on Add a Video. This tells Squarespace that you're ready to attach a video source to the block. Since the video is already hosted on YouTube, you won't be uploading anything here. Instead, click on Add from Link. This option is useful when your content already exists online and you simply want Squarespace to pull it in. Now paste the YouTube video link into the field provided. Make sure you're using the correct link for the lesson you want to embed, especially if you're working with multiple course videos. A good tip here is to double check the link before confirming so the right video appears on the page the first time. After pasting the link, click Add. Squarespace will then process the link and embed the YouTube video into your video block. Once it loads, you should be able to see the video directly inside the page layout. At this point, your course video is embedded and ready to be placed as part of your lesson content. If needed, you can continue adjusting the page around it so the video fits naturally with your course text, downloads, or other supporting materials. That's all it takes to embed a YouTube course video in Squarespace. It's a simple method that helps keep your course pages organized and easy for students to use while letting YouTube handle the video hosting in the background.